Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit and customize the picture that you have inserted to your document created by the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open your document and tap on the picture that you have inserted, and here you can find a bunch of frames that you can apply to your picture. As you can see, you can also set the or wrap the text as well. You can rotate your picture, rotate to the right or to the left. You can also crop your picture if you want to, set the height and the width, and lock the aspect ratio, and you can add a text to it as well, so you can type in a title and a description to it as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.